I'm attorney Pressley Henningsen with RSH Legal. Falls in Iowa nursing homes are all too common occurrences. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, 1 out of 5 falls causes a serious injury. Here's what you should do if your loved one is injured after a fall. First, let's discuss why falls happen. There are a number of different reasons a nursing home resident could fall and suffer an injury. Could be an environmental hazard. Environmental hazards in nursing homes play a significant role in the elderly's number of falls every year. Slippery floors, bad lighting, incorrect bed height, and all kinds of other dangers can be causes of slips and trips and falls. The nursing home staff are supposed to keep these dangers to a minimum, as it is each resident's right to live in a clean and safe space. However, many of the falls in nursing homes can be attributed to these environmental hazards. Number 2, staff inattentiveness. Another reason for falls is the inattentiveness of nursing home staff. Staff are often so overworked that they do not have the time to help residents with getting up or toileting. This inattentiveness, this overworking of staff, leads to residents falling. 3, chemical restraints. Of course, the majority of nursing home residents are on some kind of medication. However, care facilities can sometimes use medications to keep patients calm and easier to take care of. This is known as a chemical restraint, and it can be a form of nursing home abuse. These medications can make residents groggy and unstable on their feet, which can lead to falls. If you suspect your loved one is given medication for the purpose of staff having an easier job to do, then speak with an experienced Iowa nursing home abuse lawyer. After your loved one has fallen, you will receive a phone call from the nursing home staff alerting you to the injury. Your loved one will be taken to the emergency room and their injuries will be assessed and treated. Once they're healed enough to be released, generally your loved one will be returned to the very same facility. Follow up with the nursing home's administrator, with their director of nursing, and ask about your loved one's care plan. Their care plan may need to be adjusted to factor in safety measures in order to prevent future falls. Not all residents' falls in a nursing home are the result of abuse or neglect. Accidents can happen. You need to be aware of when a fall is an accident and when it's a result of negligence. So how do you know that negligence caused your loved one's fall? Here are some signs to look for. 1. Did the nursing home staff use proper techniques to move the resident? Did they use a lift to move your loved one? Did they have enough staff to move your loved one? Did the one person try to do it all on their own when they should have had 2? 2. Did any environmental hazards lead to the fall? Was the floor wet? Was their bed too high to get out of safely? Were there debris or something else on the floor that they tripped over? 3. Is it obvious that your loved one fell because they were being ignored by staff? Did your loved one fall while they were trying to get up to go to the toilet themselves, even though their care plan says they must always have help to the bathroom? Was your loved one wandering around unattended and unsupervised when they fell? Proving that a nursing home was negligent is easier said than done. Getting an experienced nursing home abuse attorney involved early is a good idea if you are suspicious of negligence. If you have questions after your loved one suffered injuries from a fall at an Iowa nursing home, call RSH Legal today at 1-800-433-0283. RSH Legal, fighting for fairness.